Right then, quick intro. That's the Nürburgring. That's a 300 plus horsepower 4-wheel drive 7-speed DSG Caddy, and that's a Danny Sylvester, aka Danny DC2, with a bubble in his sticker. Let's go, we're ready, we've been busy.
Is he here?
That's him.
He's carrying on. He's not slowing down.
He's going. He's going.
Next day.
So, Nürburgring, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, just before maybe. Beautiful weather. We're just getting the Caddy ready to go for another few laps. And we're going to do the sighting laps and try and get some footage and stuff like that. So I'll be driving Danny's M3. You're going to be passenger, aren't you, Katie? Ruben's going to be passenger with Danny in the Caddy just for the sighting laps. And then we'll hit it at 8:30, is it, when it opens?
Where's your enthusiasm?
Yes! 6.
Yeah,
Didn't
but
stop. It's done some weird stuff. That's good, that.
It's traffic.
So, the end of what has been a good couple of days. We've done it. We've done what we needed to do. Danny did really well. He reckoned there were probably another 10 seconds in it or something silly like that if we went out and absolutely tried destroying the car in the temperatures that we had. I think the tyres had already passed the best, so I'm happy to call it done at that. Thank you for watching. Can't come to the Nürburgring and not come to YouTube Corner. It's like a party site. Should have got that guy driving Caddy, he'd have got his clog down, wouldn't he?